Welcome to Vishali's vlog.
What's in my bag? Oh, God.
Hi, am I coming in the video?
First of all, I can see my Barclays team sitting right here.
एक तो रम केक था उसमें से बहुत अच्छा था
Plum cake. See you. Welcome to another vlog and another weekend vlog. So I'm going to attend my best friend's wedding and she's Christian, so this is my first ever Christian wedding that I'll be attending. So yeah, let's get ready. And guess who I'm taking along with me? I'm taking you guys. So come along, let's get ready. I have already put on my outfit, which is a bodycon dress. So yes, I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick.
Hey bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
This is my makeup, my jewelry, my accessories, and my fit, which I know you are not able to see, but I'll show you at the venue. This is my bag and a pair of clothes. So yeah, let's go. Hydration. इतना मेकअप ये सब करके मैं तो थक ही गई. Now we are ready to go. So I finally left Pune and I'm going towards Hinjewadi क्योंकि वहीं पे ये cocktail hour. So while I'm in the cab and still it is like 30-40 minutes for me to reach वहाँ पे, so I'm gonna do what's in my bag haul. First off, I have Happydent. Somehow I have grabbed 3 lipsticks. The Maybelline one that I have applied already, and the L'Oreal Paris Worth It shade, and MAC Aerostore lip shade. My power bank जिसमें चार्जिंग है नहीं, मेरे फ़ोन में भी चार्जिंग कम है, कब डाउन हो जाएगा आई हैव नो आइडिया. इसमें 37% है. लिप ग्लॉस जो अभी मुझे याद है कि मैंने लगाया ही नहीं है, तो मैं ये लगाऊंगी अभी. अच्छा मास्क क्योंकि आते वक्त आई विल बी चेंजिंग माय क्लोथ्स. आई नीड मास्क. आई डोंट नो हाउ विल आई बी कमिंग बैक. ईदर इट विल बी थ्रू मेट्रो और माय फ्रेंड्स हु विल बी ओवर देयर. So basically मेरी ऑफिस की फ्रेंड है जिसकी शादी है. If you follow me on Instagram, you know the Ritz Carlton वाला vlog that I did. So it was a dance practice rehearsal and everything that we had. So that's where we became good friends, very close to one another, like in a very short duration. I wish we had more time, but no worries. She found me so close enough to invite her to our wedding. So I'm really grateful for that. निकलते वक्त इतनी गंदी ट्रैफिक लगी है ना, डोंट आस्क. I have just reached and I'm waiting for my friend to come. मुझे एक्चुअली बैग रखना है इसलिए. एंड इस एरिया में बिल्कुल ही नेटवर्क नहीं है इंटरनेट का. But look at the moon. It's so pretty. Here she is. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh God, looking pretty.
You too, babe.
I'm vlogging, bro. Oh, hi. Say hi. यार बहुत लेट हो गया, बहुत ट्रैफिक लग गई.
अरे हम लोग जब थे तब कल था.
कोई नहीं था तभी. स्पेशली पुणे के अंदर साइड पे ना बहुत था ट्रैफिक. थैंक यू. वेन्यू.
Hi guys.
I think आवाज नहीं आई. Say hi.
Say same अपना सौरभ, you can still
अपना
subscribe.
सौरभ, look change, look is
change.
different, upgraded one.
Protein खाओ guys.
Yeah, we have paneer and hara bhara kebab.
पता नहीं क्योंकि उसकी wife ने
From Valentina's side? Perfect. Okay. All the men, 3, 2, 1, hip hip! Hooray! Ladies, hip hip! All of us together, hip hip! Well, now is outstanding. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Cameron DaCosta, also known as MC Cam, will be your host. And the bridesmaids, so come with them. Susan and Valentina! I want you all to put your hands together.
Continue to guide them, and may they bear witness to you in loving each other and caring for and jubilation.
Sushant, you have to take a small piece of cake that's going to be half in your mouth and half outside. Valentina,
Oh,
yeah,
yes,
you
we
decide
have
the
to
piece.
make-
I will decide how much in and how out. He's going for the smallest piece, huh? Come on, people, let's all make some noise for Mr. Rex. Everybody.
Thank you so much everyone for being here. I can see a lot of people showing up today. First of all, I can see my Barclays team sitting right here. And
See, it's not only married couples, okay? You can pair up with anybody. Hi, am I coming in the video?
Hi guys. Hi. So long time, Chitra. How are you? Yeah. You're looking good.
Three, two, one, music! Come on, guys, come on! आराम से, बस गिरना मत और गिराओ मत. Run! Guys, don't run. Okay.
Hi,
Not get a good
Valentina.
shot of the kiss. So we have to do it again.
यार कोई डांस नहीं कर रहा है. करें क्या? Seriously? Steps भी पता है. हम लोग यहीं पे करते हैं.
Guys, we have an amazing dance floor here. Please do not dance on your chairs and tables.
Oh God.
Please get up and come on the dance floor. We have the last 15 minutes.
चलो. His eyes is on us, you know. इसका पहले भी हुआ था. Woohoo!
Oh God, I'm already so tired. And आज मैंने heels जो पहने हैं, I wish I could have bought a pair of shoes because I just can't walk. And अब मुझे खाना भी खाना है. Already 10 now, 10:30. अभी just मेरी friend she went Nupur, and I'm going inside to have food with my other friends. Dinner. Oh.
इसको एक तो खत्म कर दीजिए।
Bhai, he's stuffed now. His mouth is stuffed.
उसने आई रोल दिया।
Eye roll देखो उसका.
He gave an eye roll.
Yeah.
What a smile, huh?
ये है चित्रा और उसका फ्यूचर. Hi future. This is my outfit.
You go, girl.
What's up? How was the wedding? Did you enjoy it?
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Did
This
you
was
enjoy the wedding?
A lot. I danced a lot and I ate a lot. I had a lot of fun.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
And I'm off the stage. So hey guys, I've changed and I'm going home abhi. So it's very uncomfortable in that dress. It's so bodycon and very uncomfortable. But yeah, I'm still uncomfortable because of these. Someone who wears a lot of sneakers and shoes, heels is not for them. Honestly, it's not for me. I'm not a heel person. मेरे पैर के तो लग गए भाई. I can't even walk. Like अभी मैं बैठ गई थी तो मैं बैठ ही गई थी. मैं उठ ही नहीं रही थी वहाँ से. So yes, this is my fit. I'm going to go home. अभी for the last time I'm gonna meet Valentina and then my friend is gonna drop me home. क्योंकि बहुत रात हो चुकी है एंड यहाँ पे नेटवर्क बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आई मीन मेरे इस पे नहीं है, अदरवाइज आई डोंट नो. सो सी यू. Valentina the bride. Woohoo! Happy married life.
Thank you.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Hi guys. Welcome to Vishali's vlog.
This is my first ever wedding vlog that I'm doing. First ever Christian wedding that I attended.
Of course, and it
I
had
loved
to be
it.
mine because she is literally my twin.
इससे अच्छा फोटो ही बोला रहता आपने.
फोटो ही था. Sorry.
Hey guys, we are heading home.
Yeah, let's go.
It's 1 a.m.
It's 1 a.m. in the night, and it was actually a great reception that we've been to. इसको usually cocktail hour भी कहा जाता है.
Yeah, the food was amazing.
It was delicious. और केक तो क्या ही था यार.
Cake
Wow.
was- हमने 3 केक्स खाए.
हाँ.
3 बार.
3 बार खाया हमने. एक तो रम केक था, उसमें से बहुत अच्छा था.
Plum cake.
Plum cake. And if you see, the road is real clear at the moment.
Like there's no one.
No one. तो रात के 1 बजे ना गाड़ी चलाने का मजा ही कुछ और.
मजा आता है.
एकदम ठंडी हवा लग रही है, आराम से जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
This was a need.
It was a need.
मॉर्निंग में तो इतनी गर्म हवा लाइक मुंह पे आती है.
Crazy. Pune's weather is very drastic. कभी भी गर्मी आ जाती है, कभी भी ठंडी आ जाती है. Okay.
आई थिंक सीधा ही है. नीचे से ही जाते हैं एंड देन आगे से राइट.
हाँ. हमने एक्चुअली मैप्स लगाया था. अभी मैप्स बंद करके हमने ब्लॉगिंग चालू की है. So we are just gauging कौन से रोड पे जाना है. Guys, if you have not watched Michael yet, please go ahead and watch. It's an amazing movie. Michael नहीं देखा?
माइकल मूवी.
Michael.
यार मैं जब जाने वाली थी ना मुझे टिकट ही नहीं मिली.
अरे you should go. It's still in theater.
Yeah, I'll go. So I watched Devil Wears Prada 2.
Oh, you watched that?
Ah,
It's an amazing thing.
it was nice. I think I liked the first part more.
Oh.
Devil Wears Prada, no, the first part.
Got
The
it.
10 years ago one.
It's related to fashion, no?
Yeah, fashion, career. It's very women-centric,
Got it. Yeah. I mean, I've not watched it, but there's one of my friends, she was going to make a video about it. Devil Wears Prada.
I have vlogged it actually.
Yeah, amazing, yeah?
Yeah.
Sounds interesting. I should watch.
You should watch the first part. Yeah. You'll know more about fashion, you'll know more about all the insides of the fashion industry.
मेरा fashion भी अच्छा है, guys. Outfit check.
गाइस हम लोग रास्ता भटक गए थे फ्लाईओवर में से अलग डाइवर्जन था, हमने वो मिस किया.
And फिर उसे सही किया. हमने उसे सही किया फिर. And now we are on the right route. मतलब इतने सही रूट पे आ गए कि अब मुझे मैप्स की जरूरत नहीं है. I know the road.
Yeah. This place is so confusing. It's very new. It's very new to me. So good to him as well. But अब नहीं है.
अब नहीं है.
एंड मेरे फोन में सिर्फ 6% बैटरी है, तो आई probably go home and see you. So
I'll go home. I'll see you in the next video.
yeah,
Yeah, it was amazing to.
bye. अपना सौरभ, sorry.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
बोलो.
That was Apna Saurabh signing off. You can like, share, and subscribe.
अपना सौरभ too. Woohoo. Just see you.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
हेलो गाइस, अब मेरा फ़ोन पूरा बैटरी लो हो गया था. आई जस्ट गॉट डन विद अपलोडिंग दी स्टोरीज एंड ऑल, क्योंकि सुबह में आई विल फॉरगेट एंड आई डोंट वांट इट टू डिले posting those stories, so hence I did it right now while it was getting charged. I had so much fun. This was my first Christian wedding and I'm so happy it was Valentina's, because in very less time, like कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, like कुछ दोस्त तुम्हारे एकदम unexpectedly बन जाते हैं, like you are not even finding such kind of person in your life, but you find somehow. And it was not only her, I found many other friends, because here in Pune I don't have many friends. I struggled to find friends within last 3 years. I have gained few friends, I have lost few friends. Friendship breakups, you can say. So Valentina was like, she was in our dance basically that we had to perform in Barclays in my office, and we somehow got connected like this. Everyone used to call us like twins, and it's not even about other people calling us twins. It's also about our vibes, our thinking, our everything. It just matches. Like you find such frequency with such person. We also ended up doing same nails together once, like after the dance, we went bar. I mean, it was a really good time. This is all about friendships and finding good friend who matches your frequency, your vibe level. And wedding mein, the cake was so yum. I can't even talk about it. Like I had two pieces of those plum cake and one the wedding wala cake जो उन्होंने cut किया था stage पे. It was very delicious. Yum. Like oh god, I'm drooling now. I'm ready to go to sleep. कल office जाना है मुझे. This is the end of the weekend. Actually, on this coming weekday, I was gonna post something else. But I think I'll instead post this one because this was the very recent comment that happened. And I'm very excited to edit this one. So yeah, editing में time लग जाता है. आज I was supposed to post the part 2 वाला video. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Like जब ये vlog आएगा तब तक तो मैंने कर दिया होगा. For sure. And I think this wedding wala vlog, this will go live on Thursday or Friday. I will let you know. I will let you know. This is a challenge for me. Shooting is not a task. Honestly, it's very easy. But editing, that's the part you are not ready to talk about. I swear. But anyways, I'm here to take challenge. I'm ready to accept challenges. So it's just me being consistent and keep doing it. So please push me, okay? Please do like, share, subscribe. कोई पैसा नहीं मांग रहा है तुमको सब्सक्राइब करने. So I would really love if you go ahead and subscribe and like this video and comment anything that you liked about this video. Like, actually, yeah, there's something I would love to talk.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So, event where they cut the cake and you have to first toast it. I mean, they will like pop the champagne, they will toast it, and then we have to eat the cake. I was not aware.
झूठ पे झूठ, झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है, शर्म नहीं आती.
That was the most embarrassing part. I have put out a video of it. Like Jessie Mila.
He's going for the smallest pizza.
खा लिया मैंने. क्या होगा मेरा? And then my friend says, "Bro, you are not supposed to eat it. You were supposed to wait till they toast it, and then you have to have it." I'm like, "Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm okay. It's just my first time, so I'll make sure I don't do it the next time." Did you also had any kind of like an embarrassing moment in a wedding? Do let me know in the comments. I would love to read and respond. So I had really fun taking you along with me in this wedding, and I really loved how both of them were okay with me vlogging. They also were a part of the vlog at some point, which I really loved. So I'll end my video over here. Because बहुत नींद आ रही है. I'll take off my makeup and sleep. Yes, इतना सारा makeup किया है. I won't sleep like this. I promise, because my skin is really damaged and I have to take care of it like a baby. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and I will see you in the next video. So bye. Love you.